Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 Izhar. In this lesson we will learn definition of Izhar and what is the rule of Izhar with examples. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Izhar? Izhar is the first case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. What is the definition of Izhar? If any halqa letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. We will learn with example in this lesson. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Because Noon has Jazm sign or Sakin sign or Sukoon sign on it. Any letter which has this sign on it is called Sakin sign or silent sign. What is Tanween? Two Zabar, two Zay, two Pesh are called Tanween. How many halqa letters are there? There are 6 halqa letters and they are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. How we pronounce halqa letters? Halqa letters will be pronounced as show in your screen. Hamza Ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain Ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Ghain Kha pronounced from the top part of the throat. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is Harkat, Tanween, the letters of Madda, vertical or Khadi Harkat, the letters of Leen, the letters of Kalkala and the Sakina letters. Let's see the examples of Izhar, how we perform Izhar rule. Let's see the first example. We recite with spelling Qaf, Ra, Zabar Qa, Dad, two Zabar Dhan, Qardan, Ha, Zabar Ha, Sin, Zabar Sa, Hasa, Noon, two Zabar Nan, Hasanan. Here Izhar rule will be happening because there is halqa letter comes after Tanween. This is two Zabar Tanween and this is also Tanween. How we pronounce with Izhar, how we perform Izhar, and this is Qaf from Mustaliya letter will be pronounced with heavy voice or thicker voice, and this is also Dot from Mustaliya letters pronounced from the pronounced with thicker voice or heavy voice, and this is halqa letter Ha will be pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Now we recite and how Izhar will perform here. Qardan Hasanan, Qardan Hasanan, Qardan Hasanan. The second example of Izhar is we recite with spelling Kha Pesh Khu, Lam Pesh Lu, Khulu, Qaf to Zirqin, Khuluqin, Ain Zabar A, Ra Ya Ghair Ghi, Aghi, Mim to Zirmin, Aghimin. Here Izhar rule will be happening because there is Halgia letter Ain comes after Tanween. This is 2Z Tanween. And this Halgia letter Ain will be pronounced from the middle part of the throat. And this is Kha Mustalia letter. This is Qaf is Mustalia letter. And also Za is Mustalia letter. Mustalia letters will be pronounced with thicker voice or heavy voice. And there is Zair before Ya Sakin. This is Ya Madda. And Madda letters we pronounce up to 1 alif or 2 harakat. Recite like this. We perform Izhar Khuluqin Azimin, Khuluqin Azimin, Khuluqin Azimin. These are the examples of Izhar. In next video we will learn more examples of Izhar, inshallah Ajal. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.